Hey! In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 9 and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and type in Magic Fluids. Then install this free app from Mad Scientist developer and when it's ready, click on Open. Now you need to select those two lines at the bottom right corner and click on Settings at the top. Then choose I accept in this pop-up and adjust all wallpaper settings however you wish to. Then click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by selecting one of those options. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!